Hello students, in this video we will discuss a new chapter, that is statistics. So before starting the exercise, so you have to remember some terms about statistics. You have to know about the term of statistics. So firstly, 18.2 is given here variables. So what is variables? A quantity which can vary from one individual to another is called variables. Suppose height, weight, age, these are vary in person to person. So there are two types of variable. One is continuous variable and another one is discrete variables. So what is continuous variable? A variable which can take any numerical value within the certain range is called the continuous variable. Suppose weight of a person, suppose there have a 15 kg, 50 kg, 50.1 kg, 50.12 kg. So the weight can take any number 50, 50.1, 15, 50.12. So these are called, this type of variables are called continuous variable. Weight, height, this type of variables is continuous variable because this type of variables can take any number between two integral numbers. Suppose there is given 50 and 51. So between these two numbers, this type of variable, that is weight is variable. Weight can take any number 50.1, 50.2, 50.2 to 50.23. So these type of variables are called continuous variable. So what is discrete variable? A variable which is taking all the possible numerical values is called discrete variable. Suppose let's see one example. The number of children in a family. So this is a discrete variable because the number of children in a family either 1, 2, 3, 4, this will happen. You can't take any number between 2 and 3 because 2 and half is, you can't take here because you are taking here the number of person. So number of person cannot be fraction. So this type of variables are called discrete variable because you can't take the values between 2 and 3. That's why this is discrete variable. These are not continuous. Now go to next one, raw or arrayed data. So what is raw data? So consider the marks obtained 20 students in a test of 50 marks. So you are taking, suppose I am taking 50 marks exam and you are 20 students. For these 20 students, marks is given here like this way, 8, 15, 23. There have no proper arrangement. So this type of data is called raw data. So what is arrayed data? If I arrange this data either ascending order or descending order, this type of arrangement or this type of data is called arrayed data. Now go to next one. Next is tabulation of data. So if I given the data in a table form, that type of data is called tabulation data because by seeing the table you can easily say that how many boys are there in family A, how many girls are there in family B, how many total number of boys and girls is there in family B here. So this type of data is called tabulation of data. Now go to next one, frequency. So what is frequency? It is a number which tells how many times does the particular data appears in a given set of data. That means suppose I am taking an exam for 5 marks and you guys gets this type of marks 1 2 0 3 2 1 5 4, this type of marks. So if I ask you what is the frequency of 1, so 1 is repeated how many times? 1 2 3, 3 times. So the frequency of 1 is 2. So if I ask you what is the frequency of 2, 2 is repeated how many times? 1 2 3 4, 4 times. So the frequency of 2 is 4 happened. Now next is frequency distribution. So frequency distribution is two type. One is ungrouped frequency distribution and another one is group frequency distribution. So what is ungrouped frequency distribution? Suppose I am given the following data, which is shoe size of 19 pupils. So shoe size are given here 4 3 5 6, this type of this way. So now you have to draw it in a tabulation form. So here is taken here size of the shoe, here is telemarks, and here is frequency in this column. So size of shoe firstly taken here 3. So how many 3 is there? 1 2 3 4, 4 3 is there. So you know about the telemarks, you have to draw here 4 lines. So frequency is 4. So how many 4 number shoe is there? There is 3. 3 people have 4 number shoe. So the frequency is 3. So this way, this type of frequency distribution is called ungrouped frequency distribution. Now go to next one, that is group frequency distribution. So what is group frequency distribution? Suppose here is given the given below the marks obtained of 32 students in a examination. So these data is given here, marks obtained in 32 students. So we are taking here some intervals 1 to 10, 10 to 20, in this way 30 to 31 to 40. So taken here some intervals. Look, in this interval, that means 1 to 10, how many students are there? 1 to 10, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 students are there between 1 to 10. So our frequency is, okay, next one. So our frequency is here 6, 1 to 10. Again look at here 11 to 20. 11 to 20, how many are there? 11, 15, 12, 18, 12, 13, 19, 13. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 students are there between 11 to 20. So in this way you can do this chart, because we are taking here group wise. So that's why this is called the group frequency distribution table. So total numbers are total number of students are there here 32. If you add all the frequency, then you will get the total number of students. Now go to next one. Now look at number 2. Here is given marks obtained of 24 students in a examination. So here 24 students marks is given here. So we are taking the interval 10 to 20. So 10 to 20, how many are there? 18, 17, 16, 19. In this row there is no one. So there is 4 students are there whose marks is lies between 10 to 20. So frequency is here 4. Now go to next one. 20 to 30. 20 to 30, how many students are there? 24, 25, 22, 21, then 26, 28, 29, 27, 27. So we are not taking here 30 because we have to take here 20 less than equal to x less than equal to 30. So you cannot take here the value 30 between this interval 20 to 30. So the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 students are there whose numbers lies between 20 to 30. Now go to next one, 30 to 40. So whenever you take this interval 30 to 40 interval, that time you can take this 30 value. So which numbers lies between 30 to 40? So the numbers are 32, 40 you cannot take here because you have to take here 30 to 40.